Welcome to a fresh look at the new 2026 BMW M5. Today we dive into the soul of this powerful machine and explore why it is already being called one of the boldest performance sedans of the future. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a smooth ride into pure BMW energy. The 2026 BMW M5 arrives with a design that feels sharp, modern, and confident. The front stands wide and strong with a bold grille and sleek lights that create a fearless road presence. The body flows with smooth lines that support performance while keeping a luxury feel. Every angle of this car speaks strength and elegance in one perfect combination. Move around the car and you will notice the new shape that blends performance with daily comfort. The stance is low and stable, giving the M5 a firm grip on the road. The wheels are crafted for high-speed balance, and the overall feel of the design is athletic and refined. It is the kind of car that turns heads without any effort. Now step inside and the cabin welcomes you into a world of premium comfort and advanced tech. Soft materials, high-quality surfaces, and clear digital displays create an environment built for both driving and relaxing. The seats hold you firmly during fast drives while still giving a soft and supportive feel. The ambient lighting adds a calm and modern touch that keeps the entire cabin glowing with style. The star of the show is the power under the hood. The 2026 BMW M5 carries a hybrid-assisted V8 engine that delivers strong acceleration with instant response. The electric boost adds extra push, making the car quick and smooth at the same time. BMW has tuned the system to give maximum control so you feel connected to the road in every moment. The exhaust note is deep and rich, turning every drive into an emotional experience. Handling is where the M5 truly shines. The car hugs corners with confidence and the steering feels precise and natural. The suspension balances comfort with performance, allowing the car to stay stable even at high speeds. Every movement feels controlled and strong, giving the driver the sense of total command. Safety and tech also reach a new level. The car includes advanced sensors, smooth driving assistance, and smart alerts that support you throughout the journey. The digital system responds quickly and delivers clear information while keeping the interior clean and easy to use. It is a blend of intelligence and simplicity that feels effortless. As you take the M5 out on the open road, you feel the spirit of BMW engineering. The combination of hybrid power, sharp handling, and refined luxury makes every drive special. Whether you are moving through city streets or speeding across long highways, the M5 delivers a smooth, fast, and thrilling experience. Thank you for joining this detailed look at the 2026 BMW M5. Stay tuned for more exciting car stories and more powerful rides ahead.